Welcome to day 8 of becoming a solutions architect in 60 days. We are jumping into the AWS console to create an IAM group now that we understand IAM conceptually. So, just like we know, an IAM group is a collection of users who share the same permissions. Instead of assigning permissions one by one to each user, we create a group and assign permissions once to all of them inside it. So we will open our browser and go to the AWS console. We will enter our AWS root account credentials in the search bar. We will then type IAM and select IAM or Identity and Access Management. Step 2, we will navigate to User Groups. Inside the IAM dashboard, you can find it in the left side menu. You click on User Group, then Create Group. In the Create Group screen, enter a group name. If you are creating a developers group, name it Developers. If it's for finance, name it Finance Team. Click Next. AWS will now ask you to attach permissions. Search for Amazon EC2 full access for developers or billing for finance. Click Next. Then review everything and click Create Group. One of the best practices here is to always assign permissions to group, not users directly. This makes future updates faster and more secure. So after creating the group, go back to Group Users in IAM. Click on the newly created group and confirm if it exists. Now, we have successfully created an IAM group.